Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today's topic is the extension of previous topic from class 9, that is trigonometric ratios. So, briefly, I would like to remind you all that these trigonometric ratios, sample here, sine theta, tan theta, cos theta, sec theta, cosec theta, and cos theta can be calculated if one of the trigonometric ratio of an acute angle is, का मतलब ये हुआ, अगर हमको ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज निकालने हैं और उसमें से एक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो दिया हुआ है एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर इफ इफ हियर sin theta is given, for example sin theta is given, that is 7 upon 25 is the sin theta. Now using this trigonometric ratio you can find other trigonometric ratios. Other trigonometric ratios, for example, you can find cos theta, you can find tan theta, you can find cosec theta, and similarly you can find sec theta and cot theta. These are only 6 trigonometric ratios. Now in this particular question, if we draw these triangles for our reference, here we have a triangle, this. So in this triangle, let us here, this is the our right angle triangle. Here, in this right angle triangle, angle of reference, we name this triangle, this is the A, this vertex is B, and the third vertex is C. And angle of reference is here theta, and value of sine theta for this is given, right angle B. Now in this, using this sine theta, we can find hypotenuse and the perpendicular. So we can write here sine theta is equal to, that is the opposite side either you say, or you say perpendicular to angle of reference, and then hypotenuse. Particularly in this triangle, AB is hypotenuse and AB is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. Now, on comparing this here with the value given in your question, that is 7 by 25, here you will find that AB and AC are in the ratio of 7 is to 25. Therefore, here we will make an assumption. लोग इसको assume करेंगे कि AB की जो वैल्यू है वो एक्चुअली 7 नहीं है, 7 का मल्टीपल होगी, कुछ भी वैल्यू हो 7x, और जो हमारे पास में AC है ये जो वैल्यू है हमारे पास में 25x होगी। देखिए फिगर पर हमने इसको मार्क कर लिया, वी हैव मार्क दिस ऑन द फिगर, दिस इज 25x and this side is 7x. Now using Pythagoras theorem, applying Pythagoras theorem, this triangle using Pythagoras theorem. तो Pythagoras theorem क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? Pythagoras theorem, theorem is. तो in this theorem इसमें क्या होता है, जो अपोजिट साइड है और एडजेसेंट साइड्स हैं, तो यहाँ पर ये एडजेसेंट साइड जो है वो BC स्क्वायर है और अपोजिट साइड जो है वो 7x है, इसका होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू hypotenuse square. Students, remember, many time, most of the time, very oftenly, you people write this as 25x square. 25x square. This is wrong. This is not the correct. This is wrong. Always use bracket to make the whole square of this. Whenever you will simplify this, on simplification you will have here BC square plus 7 7 ja 49 x square is equal to 25 square is 625, and this. Now I hope everybody at this stage knows simplification. This is 625 minus 49 x, you can take common altogether or you can write separately. It depends on you. You can write this here also, 625 x square minus 490, that is 49 x square. Same. So the difference of these two will be here 576 x square, and on finding its square root here, whenever you will go for the square root, you will get the value of BC. BC is here square root of 576 x square, and that is 24x. This way, using your Pythagoras theorem, what we have done, we have calculated the value of this here 25x, which is the missing value in this triangle. Because all trigonometric ratios are the sides of ratio of sides of this triangle ABC. Now we have got the three sides of this triangle ABC. Other trigonometric ratio, students, we can find here. We focus on this here. Look, this very first ratio is here sine theta. Sine theta is already given. Now next is cos theta. As we know, students, cos theta जो होता है वो adjacent side कह लें या base कह लें, whatever you want to say, and then hypotenuse. Here in this particular question, your base, this is given 24x and hypotenuse is 25x. So x will cancel. Value of cos theta will become 24.35. The value of theta. Similarly, you can go for other values in this question. Here, if we go for the next values, here you will see sec theta. So sec theta is ratio of hypotenuse to base, and hypotenuse is here 25x. This particular question, base is 24x. This is 25 by 34. Now, students, when we analyze these two results, this here, as we can see, is 24 upon 25 and this 25 upon 24. These are reciprocals of each other. You can say sine this cos theta is reciprocal of the sec theta. Cos theta is reciprocal of the sec theta, or sec theta is reciprocal of the cos theta. That means, students, we can find value of sec theta directly if we are knowing the value of sec theta. So here, going back to our third ratio, that is here tan theta. So tan theta is We know perpendicular is to base. In this question, perpendicular is your 7x and this is 24x. X again will cancel. This is 7 by 24. This is the value of tan theta. Now, cot theta, you know, cot theta is reciprocal of the tan theta, E upon P, or you can say 34 x upon 7x. And that will give us 24 on value of cot theta. This way we have got tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cos theta. And the one more trigonometric ratio is left, that is cosec theta is student. Cosec theta is a reciprocal of the sine theta you can say, or you can say hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse in this case is 35x and perpendicular is 7x. So cosec theta will become 25 upon 7. With this, we reach on the conclusion that these trigonometric ratios, all trigonometric ratios can be calculated if one of them is given. Other trigonometric ratios can be automatically calculated. Now we are taking the question number here, which is on your screen. Here, the question number, I hope, is readable. That is the very first question on the your screen. Here, you can see your question there. Okay. Reading the question. Question is here. Wait for a minute. From the figure 1 given below, find the value of sec theta. Now your triangle is on your screen. Here. In this triangle, again I am copying the figure for you here. So look, this we have a triangle trying to frame for you. Here, this triangle. And the third side of this is your I've drawn for you. This triangle. Now third here side is given as a perpendicular dropped from this point. The perpendicular drawn and giving name to these points. Okay. This is the A. This is the point A. On this point is B. The third point is C. And in this side is given 13, this side is given 5, and this total side, I say this total is given as a 21. Is given as a 21. Angle of reference here is the theta. This angle we need to find. In this question here, we are to find the value of sec theta. Question is here to find the value of sec theta. This is the very first. Sec theta is the question. To find the value of sec theta, we must know, as we know here, we write here, this is sec theta, student. So sec theta we know, this is the hypotenuse upon, or you can say reciprocal of the cos theta. So in this particular question, this angle is 90 degree and this is the hypotenuse which is also not given. This hypotenuse is not given. But we can find here this value BD. This is 21 minus 5. The students 21 minus 5 is how much? 16. This value is 6. Now question is of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is not given, so we can take the help from this triangle. In this triangle, using Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ADC, here you can find AD square plus 5 square is equal to 13 square. So here value of AD can be calculated by simplifying this value 13 square 69. AD is equal to, directly I am writing here, 169 minus 25, which is square root of 144. That is the square root of 140.